standing hip hinges, wide and narrow. So I'll do the wide ones first. I'll take double hip width stance with my feet, and from here I'll go through a hip hinging motion. I want to make sure that my knees are staying in a straight line from hip to heel, and I want to keep my spine in a neutral position as well. And then I just gradually go down as far as I can with hip range of motion, and then come back up. I can reach down the center or out to the side. Now I'll try the narrow stance, feet touching together. And I'll do the same exact motion. Arms can hang right outside of your side, the side of your legs.